Hello Pajeros, welcome to Mr. Pajero channel. Today I'm going to show you that a very exciting for me actually to open this box, because I was waiting for few months to receive for me. This is a 2007 to 2014 front Pajero grill for the sports grill, like mesh grill. I think it's made from ABC plastic, and it's the aluminium mesh was also there. Let me open and see how it is. This one actually customized grill as you like. You can see I received the Mitsubishi logo here, plus the big Mitsubishi letters. So you can customize your grill whatever you like, as you like. Okay, let's open the other one. Yeah, here is a grill. The frame was made by ABS plastic, and the mesh is aluminium. It's fully matte black. You can see it's well quality finishing, and even the back it has all the knobs fitting for the bumper. This one. Let me show you the back side, and it's well fitted to the frame with the screw. They have separately have a screw pattern. You can see it's 1, 2 in this side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side is 2, and the top is a 6. It's perfect. I'm so excited to fix to my car with the new logo. Here is a logo, so I can either fix it in the middle. It's like that, and or if you like, you can fix only the logo Mitsubishi. As I said, this made from ABS plastic. Even the letters it's the same, but you can see it's got thick, and how is the thickness you can see here, and it come with the silver top of that. Okay, let me open the Mitsubishi logo here. But this one is come with the 3M tape here. So what you have to do, you have to remove this one, then you can paste over here. This one, it's looks like a honeycomb grill, but the only difference is the pattern is quite small, because this is the aluminium mesh. Now I'm going to take it out of my 2011 front grill. It has already now 2 upper lights for both sides. It will be there, but I'm going to transfer to my new grill, the next one. So let's see how it's going to be open and install the new one again. First, I'm going to use this tool to pop out that lock. So it's easy to pop out this from this tool. Let me see how many clips I remove it. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle, 5 and 6 and 7. So now I'm going to remove the grill. You can see from the behind. You have to remove from this down. There's 2 clips over here. See how many 6. Okay, please remove this clips lock from the old one because it will be going to the new ones. See, I have to remove. It's easy to take out from there. Okay, then once installed, we have to back for the new grill. Okay, after I remove the previous lock, you can install here for the new one. It's easy, you can see. Okay, the other one is here to the other side. Okay, and also the one clip need for the middle I have also inside, so I will fix it that. Now first we have to clip this one to the bumper. Then let's see. First we have to put these 2 clips in the middle here, and there's a 2 lock from the down. Yeah. Then clip it from here. See. Then put the lock over there. It's perfectly fit to the edge. You can see, and also over here. Pajero is 2011 3.5 V6. So I changed for the new grill for the sports mesh. It's really good finishing. I can see even the quality is good. I'm happy with that. You can see the finishing very close up. And whoever don't like the letters, and this one you can remove it. You can keep it as a plain, or you can put something else, or you can put rally art or only Mitsubishi logo. Later on I'm planning to remove this Pajero stickers because it's been the emblem letter. It's been a long time with me, so I want to change a little bit. See, that's how it is look now.